You want to use your Apple Watch to track your weight training on your device? If yes, then this video is here to help you track weight training on Apple Watch. Basically, while using the workout application to track your workout, you discover that there is no feature called weight training that you can easily use. But here, there is a workaround that allows you to create your own workout and give it your preferred name. So basically here, you learn how to create a new workout, target weight training, and then use it while trying to train or lifting weight. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to track weight training on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the workout application. Now, once you open the workout application, you're going to have access to various workout ranges from indoor walk, indoor cycling, outdoor run, calisthenics, hiking, elliptical, stair stepper, and a whole lot of them. And now you're going to discover that the weight training track is not included. Now, to create it, just scroll down to the bottom. Then here, you have the privilege to add your own workout, and the workout you want to add here is track weight training. Then go ahead and click on add workout. Here, you see popular. So particularly, there is still no weight training. Under adding your own weight training option here, then this is what you need to do. Just scroll up and locate others, select other, and here you should see other again. Click on these three dots on other, and then click on create workout. Once you selected create workout, here select custom. Then here you're gonna say create a new custom workout. Is it warm-ups? You wanna skip? Just scroll down and click on custom title. Then give this a name. You can use track weight training. Then once you type track weight training, you want to click on the done button at the top right, like this. They're going to have the name set to track weight training. If you scroll down, you're going to see how the custom view is going to look like. Now, you need to create a workout to do this. Just come back here. You want to click on add. Then click on work. Then you want to select time. Then select how long you want your Apple Watch to track your weight training. So if it is 1 hour, just set this to 1 hour. Then minutes. This is your second. So if it is 30 minutes, then set this to 00. Then go ahead and set the minutes to 30 minutes. And then once you are done, click on done button. Once you hit the done button, you're going to see the time set to 30 minutes. Then scroll down and then click on create workout. Once you create your workout, then hit the bar button. Now, when next you want to train for your weightlifting, just go ahead and click on track weight training. Then here you're going to see ready, and then the countdown will begin. Now the next thing is you're going to see you're going to work for 30 minutes, and then you're going to have access to the information about your weightlifting and then the tracking. Now if you scroll down, you have access to other information about this particular workout, and then if you swipe right towards the YouTube crown, if it is set to the right, you can just go ahead, end or pause, and they're gonna see the workout paused. Then you can now go ahead, focus on something else, and once you're done again, come back again and then unpause or resume the workout. So that is basically how to track weight training on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.